Now, this video is specially made for Honda Civic owners, as in this video I have listed top 3 best Honda Civic roof racks in the market. Plus, I have made this list with full of custom-fit roof racks after performing research, which is based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and other features of roof racks. And for your convenience, I have given the link in the description so that you can quickly check out the racks. Furthermore, I have ranked them according to usability and compatibility with Honda Civic so that you can choose them according to your requirement. Number 1. The Hati Trip roof rack is an excellent choice for Honda Civic owners seeking to maximize their vehicle's cargo capacity with a blend of functionality and sleek design. This roof rack is crafted from high-quality, durable materials, ensuring it can withstand various weather conditions and heavy loads. Its aerodynamic design minimizes wind resistance and noise, contributing to a smoother driving experience. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the adjustable clamps and detailed instructions, making it a convenient option for both novice and experienced users. The Hati Trip roof rack features a versatile design, compatible with various accessories like bike racks, cargo boxes, and kayaks, allowing for customizable storage solutions. With its secure locking system, you can travel with peace of mind, knowing your belongings are safely attached. Ideal for road trips and outdoor adventures, the Hati Trip roof rack enhances the practicality and versatility of the Honda Civic, making it a valuable investment for active lifestyles. Number 2. The CAH Hardware roof rack is a top choice for Honda Civic owners seeking a reliable and versatile cargo solution. Known for its sturdy construction, this roof rack is designed to handle various loads with ease, from luggage to outdoor gear. Installation is user-friendly, requiring no drilling or permanent modifications, making it an excellent option for those who prefer a temporary setup. The adjustable straps and padded clamps ensure a secure fit while protecting the car's finish. Ideal for road trips and adventures, the CAH Hardware roof rack enhances the Honda Civic's utility, providing a practical and durable way to expand your vehicle's cargo capacity. Number 3. The WooWave roof rack stands out as a premier choice for Honda Civic owners looking to enhance their vehicle's cargo carrying capacity with style and durability. Constructed from high-quality, weather-resistant materials, this roof rack ensures long-lasting performance and reliability in various conditions. Its sleek, aerodynamic design reduces wind resistance and noise, making for a quieter ride. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free, featuring adjustable clamps that fit securely onto the Honda Civic's roof without the need for drilling or permanent modifications. The WooWave roof rack is compatible with a wide range of accessories such as bike racks, ski racks, and cargo boxes, offering versatile storage options for different needs. With a robust load capacity, it can easily accommodate bulky items, making it ideal for road trips, outdoor adventures, and daily use. Combining functionality with aesthetic appeal, the WooWave roof rack is an excellent investment for enhancing the versatility and practicality of the Honda Civic. Thank you for watching, guys. The buying link is given in the description below so that you can check them on the Amazon.com and choose them accordingly. So that it from this video, and I hope you like this video on Best Honda Civic Roof Rack. And if this video is helpful to you, please give us like, comment, and subscribe.